Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it may be that you come across my video and my channel. I am Janie Deadweiler, your victory coach, Victorious Intervention, carefully training on restoring yourself, yes. And as I'm having my evening tea, I had something come across my thoughts and I want to share it with you. And we're going to talk about mistakes. This picture I painted right in the throes of 2021. And the hat is a mistake. The hat is nothing like the hat that I was trying to draw. However, when I stood back and I looked at the entire painting and thought about the process, the hat is actually perfect. I named this painting Covered, and I painted this in I believe the month of October in 2021. So when have you reflected on a mistake you made, but it came out better than you thought it ever would? So don't beat up on yourself because of mistakes you made in life, with decisions you made, with emotions you responded with, or even relationships that you've had with people, places, or things. All mistakes are not bad mistakes. Repetition is what make it a really bad mistake. I am Janie Deadweiler, your victory coach, Victorious Intervention, carefully training on restoring yourself, yes. Until next time, peace and blessings. Thank you for watching.